Introducing the Smeg hand blender. With 4 separate attachments, this really is the ultimate kitchen assistant. Featuring a wire whisk, an immersion blender, a mashing attachment, a chopper bowl, and a 1.4 litre Triton plastic jug, this appliance really can do it all. The detachable motor is a powerful 700 watts, and being compact in size, it's easy to store. In addition, it clicks easily onto all of the additional attachments. This appliance helps to make a whole host of dishes, including whipped cream, soup, pesto, mashed potato, and even peanut butter. To see a video on how we make all of these dishes, please visit the link in the description. Available in 4 colourways, this appliance enhances every kitchen. The perfect gift for weddings, Christmas, or even as a gift to yourself. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel.